Okay, welcome to part two. We're now going to dive into the actual pay plan. With MyWorldPlus, there's actually five different ways that you earn income. The first one being the retail bonus or fast start. Um, Number two and three, you've got the residual and infinity bonus. Number four, you've got the generational bonuses. And then number five, we have the bonus pool. Um, in MyWorldPlus, you've got five different qualifications. You've got the 1-star position, the 2-star position, 3-star, 4-star, and 5-star positions. And the qualifications are really, really simple. Again, that's found under the pay plan. It will explain to you how to advance rank. And by advancing rank, what it does, it just gives you a higher percentage on what you earn from all the activity underneath you. And I'll explain that here in a second. But let's start here at the retail bonus or fast start track. This section is absolutely huge. Here's how it works. Every time you personally sign someone up and they join MyWorldPlus, you earn $25. Every time that person signs someone up, you're going to earn $8. So if that person goes out and they enroll 10 people in 1 month, of course, you're going to earn $80. Every time those people go out and they enroll someone, you're going to earn $5 from their activity. And then lastly, every time that group of people, they go out and enroll someone, you're going to earn $3. I can tell you this section right now is earning me between $1,500 to $2,000 every single week. So for those of you, again, because it's such a simple business to bring people into, it's not uncommon to bring someone into this type of program like MyWorldPlus who they're good at internet marketing and they'll go out and enroll 50 to 100 people. You can go to the leaders board and see that people are doing that all the time. The retail bonus and the infinity bonus, I'm going to tie those together. How that works is at the 1-star level, again, your qualifications are found at the very bottom of the pay plan page. But at the 1-star level, you're going to earn 3% of all the activity that's happening. The 2-star level is going to pay you 6%. The 3-star level will pay you 10%. The 4-star level will pay you 14%. And lastly, the 5-star level will pay you a whopping 18%. And that's on all the volume underneath you. I've been in for 8 months. I'm averaging between $6,500 and $7,000 from this section here. So absolutely huge. Here's the thing is the generational bonuses gets even better. So for those of you, when you get to that 3-star, 4-star, or either the 5-star position, understand you're going to earn extra bonuses just for achieving that rank. So at the 3-star level, that's an extra 3%. The 4-star level will pay you an extra 6%, and the 5-star level, as far as generational overrides, will pay you an additional 7%. And each month, the company does pay out 10% of all the volume back to all of us. And so for those of you at the 1-star level, you'll receive 35% of all the volume, and that's split. The 2-star level will pay you 15%, 3-star 15%, 4-star 15%, and the 5-star you earn 20%, and that's split out amongst all the 5-star people. And so you can slowly go through that information, and again, it's found at the pay plan section in your website. All right, so now I want to actually show you another section which is really, really cool. So I'm now where at the very top it says genealogy. I'm going to now explain to you about when I told you how the system is going to begin pre-building your team. Here's how that works. So at the genealogy section, it'll say congratulations. It says you'll already have X amount of pre-enrollees, and perhaps some of those pre-enrollees have actually joined and they're now paid members. Pre-enrollees represent this section right here, recent visitors. So that's what it is. All of the pre-enrollees are like you. They're just free members. They're looking at the program. Every time someone upgrades, they'll actually show right here as a paid member. Now, the cool thing is you can actually see your genealogy tree by clicking in this section here that says click here to see all of the people that we have already placed in your team. So I've clicked on it, and you can see their names, and you can just kind of scroll down. Anyone highlighted in yellow, that means they've joined. So just keep on scrolling down. There's someone else in yellow, someone else in yellow, someone else in yellow. There's 2 more people in yellow. So again, that just represents that they've joined. Now, basically what that means for you is that monthly infinity bonus that I was showing you, that's where that's going to pay out. Now, whoever enrolls those people personally, they'll get that $25 because the system has to be fair. But let's say you join the program and you're trying to figure out, okay, well, what happens to your business? Everything that you're seeing here, meaning the 341 pre-enrollees, they're going to transfer over into your business along with the paid members. And again, at the end of the month, you will earn an infinity bonus off of all the paid members. And if any of these people decide to join the program too, they will also count towards your qualification. So that's what I mean when I'm saying the system is pre-building your team in advance. And now the very last thing I want to share with you is we have a system that features what's called the Tell a Friend system, and I really like this. Many of us, we know other people out there that if we showed MyWorldPlus to, that they would definitely consider joining. And here's a great way to introduce people that you know to MyWorldPlus. For those of you, if you've got people's information like their email, you can simply here type in their name and then type in their email. The phone's optional, but depending on how many names you have, you can do 25 at a time. So if you have a list of 200, you'll have to do 25 at a time, then do the next 25. But after you've listed all their names here in the box, all you have to do is hit pre-enroll your friends. Here's the cool thing is the system will then give that person a temporary free position, but it will not email them at all until you've personally have gotten in touch with them, because we don't want them to call you up and say, hey, I'm getting all these emails, don't know what's going on. Did you sign me up for something? That's not going to happen. So until you actually call that person or through email, you get in contact with them and you tell them personally to go to MyWorldPlus.com and pre-enroll using their email. And of course, once they do that, that's when the system will kick in and begin sending them a series of emails. I have people on my team that have been averaging anywhere between 3 to 5 signups every week just from this system. So again, your friends will not receive any emails from MyWorldPlus until they have gone into the system themselves. So if they never go in, just understand their status will remain what's called sleeping, and they won't ever receive any emails. So it's a great way to grow your business. So with that, I want to go ahead and end my second YouTube. Now you know how to maneuver in and out of the website. There's some other information here on the left-hand side. It's really self-explanatory. I wanted to give you really the highlights and the ABCs of our system. If something is still confusing, feel free to email me or call me, and I'll be sure to explain it to you, all right? But that does conclude the presentation, all right? And we'll talk very soon.